Alright, what's good, y'all? It's about to be our first cooking video.
Yup.
And we about to make some tacos with a little twist.
A little bit of that blazing sauce. We're gonna
Got all the food over here.
except for the bread.
Oh yeah, my bad, y'all. We got that chipotle cheese.
John Eagle sponsor us.
Oh, yeah, shout out to John Eagle. Ground beef.
Well, I'm a cook, so let me wash my hands. You know, if you don't wash your hands, you're not cooking right. All right, so if you look, that water hot, so all right.
Got that fresh water in there.
No, it's
That's that tap.
this that mineral water. You can tell because of the switch.
Oh yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
That's that upper class right there, though. Look at that.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying. See, look, that's that mineral. I'm shooting out mineral. You feel me? All right, look, let me stop for the water bill. Say 2,000. All right, chill out. That mineral water is expensive. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So basically, what we're gonna do is we just gonna whip up some tacos, but a different type of tacos. I never made tacos with eggs, nor have I ever put in a sauce as hot as blazing buffalo sauce. Y'all seen that in the past video before, and it didn't turn out so good. So you know, why not do it again? All right. Now, not all of these tacos are gonna be hot. We're gonna make something that's normal, so we can obviously eat. But what am I doing? I can't cook. Let me get the handy dandy knife. Open up this bad boy.
Look at the cut, y'all. We got a ghost in here and stuff. And as y'all can see, I don't know if y'all see that light. Nah, it ain't doing enough. It ain't doing enough.
When you're cooking, you gotta use real spatulas. All right, look.
That's that flip that patty.
That Krabby Patty. All right, let me stop.
You know what? Wasn't SpongeBob inspired by you?
Actually, he was. You know, I'm the one that actually trained SpongeBob how to flip a Krabby Patty the correct way.
This is true.
Cause he used to come at it like this. You know what I'm saying? I told him, no, you gotta come at it like this. See, he was coming at it like this. I said, no, you gotta come at it like that. Like you would a pencil. Like if you hold, like how you hold your pencil. That's the correct way. Cause you wanna. He was. How you flipping it like this? You gonna break your shoulder trying to. You know what I'm saying?
Facts.
It's irritating when I see people do it like that. Yeah. Let's get back into this.
You see how I just like filled up the whole pot there. Yeah.
You want that, you know what I'm saying? And guys, let me show you now. This is when you know you're done. When it looks just like that, okay? We only eat raw meat, okay? We don't mess with that brown meat.
Should I call the hospital?
Yeah, you should call the hospital.
Okay.
This would probably have been better for this skillet and maybe not that one.
Let me take the L on that way off.
Yeah. You know what? Whatever. It just says 10 to 15 seconds, so we're gonna wait till it cooks a little bit.
Yeah, it's only 10 seconds.
We're gonna need some plates. Oh look, 2 of them right there. Ignore the don't show that counter. We're gonna put that plate right there. We're gonna put this one right here. Now, we're just kind of gonna let this cook a little bit. I'm gonna turn it up just a tad bit to maybe about 6. No LeBron James. Make sure it's not okay. It's not really cooking yet. All right, you guys. We're getting a little bit of brown here. The wraps are all heated.
Yeah.
Now we're just waiting on this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna skip the eggs because that's my breakfast. So you know, why waste it on dinner? Eating dinner at 8:23. Should have been ate dinner, but you know, I'm a savage. I do what I want. What else about you? Look good? That's good. You
Oh, yeah,
kind of like a little mixture, right? You kind of like half and half, maybe.
Yeah, you know what? Gordon Ramsay would approve, so yeah, why not?
Maybe not, but hey, Gordon Ramsay, go on ahead, follow your boy on Twitter. Tell me how it looked to you, Gordon. You know, even though I think I'm a better chef than you. It's facts. It's simple. We don't say facts. It's simple. It's simple. It's simple. All right. I just want you to know if it starts popping, don't run. All right, because it only gets more angry.
So shots getting fired.
Yeah, it might sound like a Glock. It might sound like an AK. It's just grease. That's all it is. It's grease. All right. If I drop, just call the cops. It's simple. It's fact. It's simple. It's simple.
All right.
Don't be afraid. It won't hurt you. Unless it got a vendetta against you. You good? I don't know if y'all are okay. Almost got all the pink out. Oh wait, you see the?
I thought we liked the pink though.
You see the wrist work, right? Look. It's simple. Hold it like a pencil. It's simple. Then you just kind of want to push it around a little bit and get the little pinks. It's getting a little hot in here, I'm not gonna lie.
What, is it supposed to be pink inside? Or did I say that right?
And you mean kind of keep it a little bit of pink?
I mean, no, it's supposed to be pink inside, right? That's what the color is supposed to be, right? Like, you know, it's like a different color on the outside, but when you kind of like spread it,
we're talking about the same thing.
Yeah, I think so. But when you spread it open, it's supposed to be like pink inside.
So when I'm,
you know, when you kind of like open it up a little bit, it's supposed to be pink inside.
Just take a little peek.
Yeah, when you look inside, yeah, it's just pink in there.
Yeah. If it's any other color, you might want to go home because I don't know where you got that from.
Pink's the way to go.
Yeah, pretty much. Well, we pretty much almost got all of the pink out.
I just want y'all to know, if y'all watching this video, call 911, help hotline, whatever.
Yes.
Because somebody's going to the hospital probably.
Yeah, this is going to be pretty bad. Alright. I'm going to add a little bit of Lowry to that boy. Mike Lowry, Cal Lowry, whatever you want to say. You know, just to give it a little bit of flavor right now. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Alright. Spill a little bit. I'll clean it up, don't worry. Now we kind of want to mix it. You know, push it to the limit. Because, you know. Alright, flip it a little bit. Remember, hold it like a pencil. Like a pencil, or otherwise it's not going to flip right. Alright, let me come over here on this side. Come here. Yes, thank you. I'm gonna just pick it up, you know. Cool. It's nothing, you know. We don't waste food over here, alright, just the big pieces now. Okay.
We'll have to, you know, wipe that off. Yeah.
Tastes pretty good. You know.
Alright, y'all. So now we are finished, and we're gonna serve it up.
Alright.
Well, there goes like one of our meals right there.
I hit my elbow on the wall and I bounced.
Nah, don't blame it. Don't blame the wall.
Should I fold? No, should I do that shit again? Alright, I'm trying to eat. I'm hungry. Let's do this the correct way this time. There you go. Alright. I'm gonna do a little bit more on this one. Alright. Come here. Come here. Oh my God, man. All these utensils in the way.
We're having trouble over here. Technical difficulties.
For real, for real. It's like I hit every single thing in the house. This is, you know, if you guys help us out, you know, we can get an upgraded house to a bigger kitchen. I'm just saying.
Or we could, you know, we could knock that wall out behind you because it, you know, that's giving you trouble. We'll knock them out.
Might have to drop them. All right, you can bring that plate. And then I'll dump a little bit extra there.
So what are these tacos called? You know, you whipping them up without the sauce. What do you call these tacos?
I'm gonna call them a million subscribers.
A million subscriber tacos.
Cause after this, I want a million subscribers after this. I didn't just slave in this kitchen for nothing, alright? You already know what's going on, man. We just cooked up some nice little tacos. Boop, get over there, get over there, get over here. Alright. Well, here comes the taste test. We haven't even put this on yet. Let me show y'all the finished product of my microwaved deliciousness. Y'all can't even see it, huh? Bam. What is that? I don't know. Alright. Can't go back after you drop it. Okay. Whew. Alright. Next, Sean will add his. That's not enough?
That might be too much, I don't know.
Alright.
Let me, you know. Put that backwards, because I'm
Oh. No. Oh.
But you take like the top off of it.
Just gonna squeeze it a little bit. Mine's just kind of like jump down underneath it. As long as we squeeze it together. Like I got it at the top and then the middle, see. It's like all around. Oh shit. I'm gonna put something there. I don't know why I just did that. I could have really just avoided it. Are we gonna we gonna eat the first one? The normal one first? And just give it a taste test? If you doing it, then I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna move this out the way.
It's all over the bread.
What?
How so?
Y'all see the red? It's hot. Jeez.
Oh.
Why do we do this for ourselves?
You probably should eat something before you do this.
I ain't eat all day. This is my first meal. Is it good? Like the taco?
Good taco, but pretty hot. I'm gonna try to get off the way. But y'all could gonna pick that sauce up at any BW3. It was that easy.
I will say, any ladies out there, if your man can't cook, leave him. Come get your boy. I can cook.
Oh, wait, I can't cook.
When you're dealing with 1 bro, you get the second half as well. So, you know, if you got a sister, you know, or your mom, or your aunt, or your grandma.
We single, you know, ladies, we do, you know, it is stuff.
Yeah. This taco actually pretty good. I don't know how much hot sauce is left in it. None. I'm about to go ahead and end my life right quick and add a little bit more right there, right there. All right. It's pretty hot.
I think if we poured more, it would have been a lot worse.
Facts.
But there y'all have it. It's not bad with tacos if you like hot sauce. Instead of using regular sauce, you can use that. Put it in a Taco Bell.
Yeah. When you go to Taco Bell and ask you if you want some sauce, just pull out this bottle like, no, I'm straight.
Definitely.
I'm good, homie. Well, my initial review, scale of 1 to 10, how good was it? With the sauce, I'm gonna give it a 10. It wasn't that bad to me. I mean, it's spicy, but this one does say ghost pepper with it, so you know. I don't know. On a taste test, 10. A hot test, not as hot as the wings, obviously, because the wings was just straight.
Just drenched in it.
Yeah, the whole thing was covered in it. So I'm gonna say about a solid 8. How would you give it a taste and spice?
Taste. I'm gonna give it an 8 because of the sauce.
Understandable.
Hot. I'm gonna give it like a 7.
A 7.
Reason because the wings was a lot hotter.
That's true.
I think I get like a 9. So.
Yeah. Well, we're going ahead and enjoy these ones off camera because what's the point of y'all seeing us eat our regular meal? But if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe. Remember, we're trying to get 1 million subscribers off this video right here. You dig? Just subscribe though, like the video, leave a comment, tell us what you want to see us try next time, and we're going to discuss it as a unit. And you got anything to say to these people?
Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay tuned.
We out. Peace.
If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah.